Привет! It's Russian Pie with you again, and today we're going to look at another prefix that will take your verbs of motion skills to the next level. It's prefix do. It will get your verbs of motion the sense of completion. Готовы? Тогда за мной!
Today we're going to see how prefix do transforms the verb of motion бежать that we looked at in my first verbs of motion presentation. Prefix do gives you the meaning of finishing, completing the activity. If бежать focused on the action in the very moment of happening, the verb добежать gives you the completed action. You finish running. You are reaching your destination. The verb добежать only exists in the past and future since there can't be any completion in the present. Present is for ongoing actions. In this presentation, we will mainly look at the future forms, but I'll give you some examples with the past as well. So, what will you do or what will you have done? You see how it really emphasizes the completion, achievement, will be что ты делаешь in Russian. To answer the question, you will say я добегу, ты добежишь. Other forms include он добежит, они добегут. Now let's have a look at the examples. Добежать до работы. Make it on time for work. Успеешь добежать до работы? Will you manage to make it on time for work? Добежать до дома. Make it home. Я не добегу до дома к началу трансляции. I won't make it home in time for the broadcast. Добежать до стены. Reach the wall. Надо добежать до стены, коснуться стены и бежать обратно. You have to reach the wall, touch it and run back. Remember those silly competitions in the school gym? Добежать за время. Make it in certain time. Я добежал до вокзала за 10 минут. I made it to the train station in 10 minutes. Sometimes you really can't make it. It happens. Just add не. It may sound odd that the not making it has the meaning of finishing and completion. Try to think of it as not finishing and not completing. What will you not do and what will you not have done? Что ты не сделаешь? You assess the situation and you decide. Я не добегу. Ты не добежишь. Other forms would be не добежит, не добегут. Now let's have a look at more examples. Не добежать, not make it. Я бы все равно не добежал. I wouldn't have made it anyway. Пока не добежать. Until, make it. Она не останавливалась, пока не добежала до дома. She didn't stop until she made it home. So, you see, you will have until, so the negative un will relate to the until word, while пока is remaining the same, but you add не to the verb. Не добежать до, not make it to. Он не добежал до лифта, остановился и пошел назад. He didn't reach the elevator, stopped and went back.
If you're still here, you're doing great. Now, how about applying your new skills to other verbs? Let's say add prefix do to a verb читать. What will you get? Да, читать. Correct. Now let's try смотреть. What will you get? Да, смотреть. That's correct. And congrats! Вы досмотрели это видео. Now, be a good student. Go like this video and subscribe to my channel Russian Pie for more of my videos. Пока!